We are at the 61st National Film Awards, and to discuss about the awards, we have with us a special guest, Mr. Shankar Mohan, who is the Director of Film Festivals and Film Award Function. Sir, you are the part of many film festivals. Since long time you are associated with the film industry. How do you see these awards vis-a-vis different awards in the film industry?
Well, there are several awards that we are having, and some of them are conducted, most of them rather, conducted privately. A few state governments in India are conducting these state awards also. But as you rightly said, these are the National Film Awards. So, Government of India and the Ministry of Information Broadcasting have taken pioneer roles in encouraging select talent, in the field of cinema. We say that we are the largest filmmakers in the world, but cinema even today is a state subject, and therefore you have several state governments levying different tax slabs, entertainment tax slabs. It's not a subject that comes directly under the central government. It's not in the concurrent list of the central government. But however, what the INB ministry does is it encourages the film industry in various ways, and this is one of the ways in which it encourages the talent of the country. Each year we have the National Film Awards. We have a very eminent jury that is set up by the ministry, and they're all very eminent people from different fields of the industry, and there's a long process that is involved, and it's a very transparent way of doing it. And once it is done, then these national awards are announced, and this is the 61st in the series. And associated with this is also the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, which this year has been conferred upon Gulzar Saab. So we have all these things that are there to encourage the film industry and the film talent in the Indian film industry.
Sir, as you rightly mentioned, this is the 61st edition. How do you see the evolution of these awards and how this year will be different from the previous years?
See, the National Film Awards is perhaps the only scheme which is encouraging Indian cinema in a very holistic way. They also have individual awards for languages that are under the 8th schedule, and also for awards which are not in the 8th schedule. So therefore you have films from Arunachal Pradesh, from rare dialects, films with rare dialects. So they also come into focus in the national mainstream. So this is a big thing that the government is doing, the Ministry of Information Broadcasting is doing, is in terms of bringing out the various facets of Indian cinema. When we say Indian cinema, there is several cinemas in India. Several films are made in different regions, in different languages. You need to have one single platform where the government encourages them and brings them to light. And the National Awards is one of the main platforms where these films and these filmmakers can bring their works of creativity onto the national scene.
Sir, there are many films which are really making good in the international arena. You are the part of International Film Festival as well. You are the Director of International Film Festival. So how do you see our films making some inroads into the international arena, and what would be the future of this overall process?
I think, India has a very defined kind of role, especially in the international arena, and we have had several filmmakers, Indian filmmakers, who have found recognition abroad. So that is not something new, but yes, the West has woken up in the last few years to a new kind of cinema, which they call as musicals. Since we have a lot of music, our films, our popular cinema is based on music. They tend to call it musicals. So they have recently, in the last couple of years, they have woken up to these. But several filmmakers, right from K. Abbas, onwards to Satyajit Ray, to Adoor and Shaji and Karun, and several people have found recognition in the festivals abroad. I firmly believe that we should not be comparing foreign films with Indian films, because we have our own kind of cinema, which is deeply rooted to our culture and to the manner and way in which we live, the way we think, and the way we perceive life. So that is entirely different from how the West perceives things. Even in the manner in which we organize our festivals, in the manner in which they organize their festivals are more market oriented. more business oriented, while our festival is more oriented on the talent, on the creativity, on the kind of cinema, on the different cinemas that are happening. So the focus is on different arenas of filmmaking.
Sir, about the 61st National Film Award, which is your the personally you like the most? Which is the movie that you personally like?
There are several films, because if you see in this particular National Film Award, the jury has looked at fresh talent. If you see the overall, a lot of new talent has been thrown up, and the reason is very simple, that digital technology has happened, so which has made it very accessible to young filmmakers, to filmmakers who want to, independent filmmakers who want to make films. So that is something that is very unique and very enthusiastic about, that you have a lot of young filmmakers who are coming here for the first time to receive the National Award, and this has been possible only because of the revolution that the digital technology is doing in the country. On the one hand, you can say that the 35mm, the polyester film is slowly fading out, but the digital technology is throwing a lot of new talent because of the sheer economics of filmmaking. It's changing the economics of filmmaking. So these are some of the things that are happening, and there are several films I personally like. There's no one separate or independent film, but several films.
Our best wishes to you, sir.
Thank you so much.